August 2024 Bargain Bead Box Unboxing. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I've got my Bargain Bead Box bag for August 2024. Can you all believe it's already August? Man, this summer, where did it go? Anyway, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for Bargain Bead Box. So let's see what we got. Okay, and it's Peach Sorbet Collection. So I expect a lot of peachy colors and stuff that match peach. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, so for number one, we've got a 27mm strawberry quartz brass pendant, retail at $4.99. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty. I love that color. Okay, number two, we've got 22mm peach moonstone and brass faceted marquee drops, and it retails for $3.99. That's really pretty too. Try not to get too close to blur it. Then we've got number three is 8mm peach quartz, and these are dyed round beads, and it's a 15-inch string, and they retail at $6.99. So those are real pretty. It'll match that, but it's more that color though. All right, number four, it is 6mm beads, and they are pink rhodonite round beads, and they are 16-inch string, and they retail for $9.99. They're like a pinky peachy mix, almost a little beige in there too. They're really pretty. Number five, we have 3 to 4mm Hessonite garnet faceted round beads, 7.5-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. See, I don't want to cut that up yet until I put it in there, but I'll lay it beside it. Next, number six is strawberry quartz large chip beads, 7.5-inch string, and they retail at $6.99. So this should go with that first pendant. Let me show you these first. Those are, I love those. I love those. Okay. Then we have a 13x9mm Yan Yun. I'm probably butchered that word, but agate peach charm with 18-karat gold-plated brass bell, and it's retail at $4.99. That's cute. There's the top of it, if I'm not blurring you out. That's cute. It does look like a little peach. That's really cute. Okay, then we have number eight is 8mm frosted glass synthetic moonstone beads in apricot, 7.5 inches, and they retail $3.99. I like those. All right, number 11. We have 7.5 by 6mm faceted glass rondelle beads in apricot with gold wash, 7.5-inch string, and it retails at $4.99. Oh, that's different. It's got like, hopefully that's not blurring, you can see it, but it's like, it's almost like gold painted on each end. like those. Next, we have 10-piece 15 by 14 millimeter pressed glass leaf beads in olive ombre, and they retail at $1.99. I guess if you're going to have peaches, you need leaves, huh? Those are cute. Number 13 is 2 pieces of 10 millimeter lamp work glass blossom beads in peach, and they retail $3.99. Ooh. Oh, I like those. I hope it's not blurring. The glass part is the outer, but it looks like a flower, the way that it's made. Those are beautiful. Then we have 4-piece 18 by 8 millimeter stainless steel marquee links, and they retail at $3.99. Oh. Number 15 is a 6-piece 6 by 14 millimeter freshwater shell links, and they retail at $2.99. All those are really pretty. Ooh, I like those. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Uh-oh. What'd I do here? I missed something. This number 9. I don't know where I'm at, but I accidentally left this out. This is 5 millimeter freshwater shell round beads, 14.5 inch, and they retail at $3.99. This was the 9th one in the bunch. And they're kind of a cream color, sort of pearl, whitish kind of. Those are right there since I skipped over them. Now I've got myself all messed up. I don't know where I'm at now. Okay, here we go. Now I'm back on track. Okay, then we have number 16. It's 1 gram of 4 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass bead caps. They retail at $3.99. Those are little, but they're cute. Real pretty on these, and it would match those. All right. Then number 17, we have 3 sets of 10 by 7 stainless steel lobster claw clasps. They retail $1.99. Number 18, we have 1 meter of 0.6 by 0.9 brass Crenia chain, and that retails at $3.99. That's a pretty little chain. That seems fragile, so you'd have to be careful with that. I think it would kink easy and break if you're not careful. Then we have, this is the number 19. It's supposed to be the last one in the thing. It's 4-piece 6 by 4 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass tube bell beads, and they retail at $1.99. So it's a bell, but it will go on like your necklace. See, that round part would go through the necklace, and then that you could link a charm or whatever. Then apparently we've got 2 bonus things. We have 24 brass clamshell bead tips, And these come for free. I'm not real sure why, because I've not watched her video for this month yet. Oh, so that's just the clamshell crimp covers. Good. Then we got 2 by 1 millimeter brass crimp beads. So it's the crimp beads. All right, so that is it for this unboxing. And I'm not sure if I'll get to make anything with it today. I'm hoping to come back here on this video and try to make something real quick, but I'm not sure if I'll get to. If not, then I will follow up hopefully tomorrow and we'll make something with this. I'm looking forward to making something with this. This is beautiful. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and sort it in my little container here, and I'll be right back and show you what it looks like in the container. Before I do that, though, apparently I was sitting on these or had them under my leg. This is the number 10 one, and it's 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in peach shimmer 13-inch string, and it retails at $3.99. And I forgot to tell you, the whole entire thing retails at $84.81. And with Bargain Bead Box, they are a curated bead company, and it's $22.99 a month. And I mean, this retails for $84 some and $84, whatever I said, 81 cents, 41 cents. And you pay $22.99 a month plus tax and free shipping. So you can't beat that. And they have wonderful customer service. I mean, they're just a good group of people, and they're out of Tennessee. I will leave my link in the description box below. And if you go through that link and get to them, then you can put in the code word. It's either going to be April 2, APRIL 2, or MCCL 2. And let me know if either of those codes don't work. But put in that code and you will save $2 off of your first order. So now I'm going to go ahead and put everything in my little box, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so there it is. Isn't it pretty? I think it's just so beautiful. See if I can get a little closer to you without it blurring. Aren't those beautiful? But anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And I'm probably not going to have time to do a tutorial right after this unboxing video. I've got to take my daughter to a meeting for school. All that good stuff is starting up. So if I don't get it done later today, then like I said, I'll try to make a tutorial video for tomorrow. Because like I said, I can't wait to get in this. It's beautiful. So anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.